I promised you that when we hit 500 subscribers, I was going to do something special. Let's watch the show intro. I'll see you in 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is Mike R's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
So as I said, I had promised you that when we hit 500, I was going to do something special. I thought about doing a cover of Bon Jovi's Living on a Prayer. You know, whoa, we're halfway there. But I decided that copyright violations and so forth were going to be too much of a problem. So I decided to do a song that I actually own the copyright to. Well, I don't, just myself, but my band does. My partner and I own the copyright to. And the song begins with some words, and I want to pay very special attention to those words, and then I'll just shut up and we'll get right into the song. It says, "Contend it can't be done, and we will prove you wrong." And I think that's very important for those of us who are determined to grow a YouTube channel. Don't ever forget that. You're proving people wrong, because people will naysay and they will talk you down and say, what are you doing? And there's all kinds of negativity in the world. But if you are determined, nothing can stop you. So let's just shut up and let's get to the one thing that we always talk about at the end of the show. The one thing that I say to never forget: let's just rock.